Greetings everyone, welcome to Asia L Artisan Body Care. In this video I'm going to be making and cutting 420 Roses soap. It is completely inspired by the state of California. Without any further delay, let's get into what you came here for. Hello and thank you so much to all of my subscribers, and welcome each and every new subscriber. If this is your first time viewing an Asia L Artisan Body Care video, thank you also, and please take a moment to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any videos that are uploaded. With just a quick Google search of the number 420, it will give you all of the information you need to know about the number with regard to marijuana use. And I feel it necessary to state that this is not an endorsement, nor is this a statement of my opposition to marijuana use. The name of the soap is simply due to the fact that there is notes of cannabis flower. There's also notes of red rose and other light florals in this soap. And so, because of where I currently reside, I thought that this would be a very fitting name for this particular soap. Once the batter has reached my desired consistency, I'm ready to add in my fragrance and essential oil blend. Rose has been trending for quite a while now. It started a few years ago with the color rose gold, which I think is one of the most beautiful colors ever, and it sort of snowballed into rosé wine and then of course rose fragrances. One of my most popular fragrant oils happens to be a rose scented oil, which I affectionately call Melrose. September 10th is my son's birthday, and so I want to take a moment to wish him a very happy birthday. And actually, the song that is played in all of my YouTube videos is a song that is written by his friend and fellow musician James Rock, and then they perform it together. So thank you to both of them for allowing me to use this awesome song. The scent of this soap is definitely unisex. You have that updated version of the rose, and then of course with the cannabis flower, it's a very slight kind of smoky slash spicy scent to it. And for the look of the soap, I did not want it to be too dark or too light, but I did want to represent the rose and the cannabis, and so I decided to add accents of pastel green and pastel, sort of like a rose pink color to the soap. For the top of the soap, I decided to finish it with some dried crushed rose petals. These are from locally sourced roses. It is extremely important to me that as a small business, I also support local businesses. And so at this point, I would say about 70% of everything that I use for my business is locally sourced. I cut this soap about 24 hours after I made it. I love how dark and pretty those crushed rose petals look on the top of the soap. However, it will eventually go brown. That is just the nature of botanicals and a natural soap. I also am really digging how that green and pink has that sort of wispy effect on the inside of the soap. So overall, I would say this soap is a success. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know you'd like to see more from this channel. Also, stay tuned for a final photo of 420 Roses soap. See you soon, everyone.